dominance. I also call it the monster genetics activity. So what we are doing in this activity is you are going to get two homologous chromosomes, 1 and 2. So that means that there are going to be two sets of chromosomes, and each chromosome has different traits on it. So for example, on chromosome 1, the traits are face shape, eyes, nose, and mouth. And so then it also tells you what the dominant trait is and what letter represents it, and what the recessive trait is and what represents it. So for face shape, round is dominant over square. So just a reminder, this genotype will give you the dominant traits round. This genotype will give you the dominant shape round. And then this will give you the recessive trait square. And so that's going to be like that on chromosome 2 as well. Okay. So then I'm going to show you what to do with that information. So number 1, and here's chromosome 2, sorry. But number 1, it says using your chromosomes, answer the following questions. So if you are at home, I cannot give you the little popsicle sticks that I have all this information written on. So I went ahead and just gave you genotypes that you're going to work with, okay? So what you're going to be doing is looking at the genotype and telling me what the phenotype will be. So like we did on the last page, RR, capital R, is going to be, let me go back, is going to be round. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to, on every single one of these, you're going to tell me what that phenotype would look like. So let's do over here. So hair, you're going to have big C, big C. Big C, big C is curly. I can't spell today. Big L, little l, you have one big, one small, and so you're going with the dominant trait. So that one would be large, and then little h, oval, and loopy, pointing out. So when it says draw your phenotype, you're going to draw whatever this monster would look like. So like it has a round head and curly hair. And then you're just going to keep drawing all the things. And when you're done, you're going to have a little monster. So secondly, it says find a partner to simulate mating. So you are going to put all of your genotypes here. And then I am going to include a document that's going to give you all the ones that you will put here. And then you're going to breed those babies. So let's say, for example, let me erase this. For example, if I gave you little r, then you're going to fill in that Punnett square. Remember, because it's drop it down and pull it. Oh, y'all, I'm sitting here messing up. Ignore me. You got in too big of a hurry, right? All right, so what are the possible genotypes? So all 100% of these are big R, little r. And so that's all you have to write. And this says list the homozygous genotypes. There are no homozygous, so none. List the heterozygous genotypes. R. So that's all that's available for that one. And then you're just going to keep doing that for all of them. You're going to put your genotype that I gave you here. You're going to use my genotype that I gave you, put it here, and then you're going to answer the questions. And if you have any questions, let me know.